Good evening, ma'am.
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 Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Ma'am.
Good
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Karishma.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Okay. All are there?
Ma'am.
All have not come yet. Till okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have network issues, so I can't on my video.
Those who on the video only get the attendance every time. So it's up to you all. I don't know.
Ma'am, I have network issue.
Can't help, ma'am. You have to get that sorted, no, every time. Whoever ons the video gets
No.
attendance. That's all. You reminded me, no? I'll see later. Okay. You told me, no?
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Literally, it's getting on and off.
Pardon? Sai Prajwal, where's your video? Adarsh?
Ma'am, I'm out. Can I off my?
Okay. Okay. Disha, what were we doing last class? Disha, what were we doing?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we have
exercise, unscramble word exercises on sentences.
Okay, very good. When I talk to Disha, only Disha should talk. All are Dishas in the class?
Yes, ma'am. I'm only talking.
No, no, not you. I'm talking when you're talking, others are also talking. No, that's right. Okay, fine. So we'll go to synonyms today.
Ma'am, synonyms are the same words, right?
Yeah, same word.
Like same, different words or same meaning.
Yes, 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 yes. 100. Where did that go?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
did you do anything? I joined now.
nothing, not anything. I didn't do anything.
Ma'am, there were exams, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
So when are they? Sure.
What?
Excuse me, sure.
Yeah, ma, tell me.
Sure, there were exams, no, sure, bhat and bhat.
Exams will go on now. Why? What you want?
Yeah, I can't look. It's not visible. The exam is not visible. Sure.
But I have not given any exam now. I'm just searching for something. Why? What?
Ma'am, he is asking like from today onwards B2 tests are starting. So the test is not updated. The link is asking.
They'll do it. Don't worry. Just give them some time. They'll do it. Everything cannot happen immediately. No, even they are doing their jobs. So they'll definitely do it. Don't worry about all that. Okay, children? They know what to do. The coordinators, the teachers, everybody knows what to do. They'll do it. You shouldn't hurry up like this. That's all. They'll give it. If they've told you there is exam, they'll definitely do something about it. Don't worry. Okay, children, today we're going to do work about antonyms and synonyms. Okay, as everyone knows, antonyms are opposites and synonyms are same words. So first thing is I'll start typing some words. This is for you all to understand the meaning and other things. And at the same time, at the end of the class, I'm going to ask you certain questions.
Ma'am came.
The current had gone, that's why no problem. Is the screen visible? Can you all
Yes.
No, ma'am.
can you all see me? Can you all see me? Is the screen visible now? Disha, is the screen visible?
Okay.
Ma'am, now we can see. Ma'am, we can't see screen.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Ma'am, now we can see.
We can see, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Children, all of you mute yourself and start writing. All of you should mute. I don't want any doubt. Raise your hand. I'm not going to answer anybody if they just keep talking. Any problem, anything, raise your hand.
Okay, before I start, Preetam,
Yes, ma'am.
Preetam, you all have confusing words in your this thing syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Confusing words are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Thanks.
Okay.
yes, Lakshmi Narasimha, what is it?
Ma'am, we have completed jumbled words, ma'am.
What have we completed?
Jumbled words.
We completed, ma. Why?
Yeah, ma'am.
We finished, no, last class. Last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, courage.
I told you no one should talk. Just go on, I'll tell you.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of detain?
I told you all to lift your hand, raise your hand, not to talk directly in the class like that.
Yes, Disha?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abandon the first one?
Discard, to throw away, something to throw away. I'll tell you the
Further meanings of that. Just copy it. We'll discuss about it. Okay. Probably in a sentence we'll try to discuss, but just go on copying what I'm typing now.
Yes, ma. Yes, Lakshmi Narasimha. Yes, Lakshmi Narasimha. What is it?
Ma'am, can you scroll up, ma'am? There is bold you wrote fearless and brave also you wrote fearless, ma'am.
Yes, it is the same thing. That's why I wrote the same thing.
Okay.
Yes, put your hand out.
Yes. Yes, Aniket.
Math is, ma'am, can bold and brave also be synonyms?
Yeah, it can be. Obviously.
Mom, can scroll it up, mom?
Okay. Where do you want?
12th.
Okay. It's there.
Ma'am, the 25th one.
Ma'am, can you show the 8th one, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Confirmation. 8th is confirmation proof. 8th is confirmation proof. Okay, children, all are writing.
Ma'am, it is detain and
Ma'am,
hold.
what is the answer
Ma'am,
for
8th
this?
is detain and hold.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, let it be. It's okay. You leave it. If it is there, I'll scroll up again. That time they can see. I'm going to go back and start explaining. That time they can see. You write, ma. You don't worry about others. Just do your own work. If they have a problem, they'll raise their hand. Because I've left out something in center, so that's why it 8th one. Your 8th one is different, their 8th one is different. But I've left out one word purposely, that's why. Once you finish 25, another 2 minutes I'll give. Write fast. Disha, tell me.
Ma'am, here the 25th one, what is the word, ma'am? The first one.
Ferocious.
Ma'am, can you pronounce it again?
Ferocious. Ferocious.
Thank you.
Yeah, Preetam.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of deplete in 17th word?
I'm going to go word by word now. That time I'll explain. Okay. From beginning, I'll go by word by word.
Okay.
I'll probably
Try to make one sentence also. So it's easy for you to make out the meaning. I'll try to make sentences.
okay, I'll finish 25 over. Another 1 minute I'm giving.
No, mom. Over, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
ma'am, not our ma'am.
Okay, I'll give another 2 minutes, right?
Ma'am, 23rd one, ma'am. 23rd one, ma'am.
Yeah, forbid. Right. Yes, Anuta, Anjuta.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Pronounce the 20th one. FOE.
What?
Ma'am, can you pronounce the 20th?
Match the 20th one. Now, what do you mean match?
Can you pronounce the 20th one?
NME4. FOE4. NME4. Yes, Harshit?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of deplete?
I told you, no, I just told someone now. Ankit or somebody I told, I don't know whom I told. I'm explaining one by one. Just hold on. I'll be explaining everything. Over, children? Over?
No, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Right fast, right fast.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Let's wait for a few of them.
Finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 25 are there, ma'am.
There are many. Let me, first we'll understand first 25 and then go to the others.
Okay, ma'am. Advika, stop it.
Just 1 more minute. I'm just going to go on top now. 1 more minute. Children, if you're not written, don't worry. When I'm explaining, the screen will be there. You can copy once again. If you've forgotten something. Okay. Now, synonyms are the words with the same meaning. Anything with the same one particular word. Abandon. Suppose, let us say, going can be went also. Okay. So, go also, these words like this, synonym, they will be called synonyms. Okay, for example, the first one is abandon. Abandon means to discard. Discard, what is the other meaning of discard? To throw away something. Okay, to throw away. I'll write simpler, instead of making sentences, I'll write simpler words. To throw away. That is abandon. Okay, if you have a... Yes, Surabhi, what is the problem?
Ma'am, you are writing and that also we should write now.
If you don't understand the meaning, you write it. Okay, you write, no problem. But first listen to me. Okay, I'm explaining. First listen, I'll give you time to copy that also. Yes, Harshit, any problem again? Put your hand down then. Adversity means difficult or difficult is the easy meaning, nothing to tell there. Rich, affluent means rich. Everybody knows rich. Bonus means award. That is when you get extra payment. Extra payment also can be synonym to bonus. You get something, not only payment, something extra you can put, not only payment, something extra. Okay, bold is fearless. Again, brave also is fearless. You can also say courageous. There's another word you can say, courageous. Also. Decent, honorable, respected, noble. Detain, to hold. To stop something. To stop. Grow, develop, grow. That grow is simple word only, nothing to tell there. Then discover.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aniket.
Ma'am, that was others.
Yes, Aniket.
Ma'am, that was others.
But why are you raised your hand?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in bonus, how come award will come? As award is thing you will get necessarily, right, ma'am? Like if you win something, bonus is an extra award, right, ma'am?
No, not that. See, now somebody is working. Let us say they're working one whole year. Okay.
at the end of the year or during Diwali, they get bonus. That means they get award for working. With that meaning, it's written award. Actually, bonus also means something extra. That means other than your salary, you're getting something extra. That's why both the words are there, award and something extra.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen this gulab jamun packets and all? They'll write something extra, coconut oil. They'll write so much extra. So all that is bonus. You got extra, free, extra.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And one thing is, whoever talks directly doesn't raise hand, I'm not going to reply. Please understand that very carefully. Yes, Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am. You wrote second one difficulty, comma, but you did not wrote any word there.
You don't know the meaning of difficulty? Do you know difficulty?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what else can I write about that? Tell me. When you know something, what can I write about that? You know difficulty, no? My exams were very difficult. You know that, right? That's why I didn't write. It's simple word. That's why I didn't write. Yes, Karunya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are only 22 questions, ma'am.
What 22? What 22?
Ma'am, you have written synonyms, ma'am. Only 22 synonyms.
I tell you that was the only one. Am I not teaching? I told you, no? Karunya, first of all, you never put your video on. Okay. Whenever I call you, you don't answer back also. Okay. And today, when I'm teaching, when I'm typing, you're seeing me typing. And again, you're calling and raising a hand and asking me, is that the only one? You should.
Ma'am, I have some network issue, so that my class left, ma'am.
Okay, ma, but you should be attentive in class, no? I didn't tell you. At 25, I told you children, I'll explain and then continue. I told you, whatever I do, each and everything I'm telling you all and doing. You should be attentive in class.
Ma'am, there was some network issue, so the class left, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just listen now. Whatever we're typing, we are in the fourth one. Bonus, award, something extra. Bold is fearless. Brave, fearless, courageous. Then next one, decent, honorable, respected. Somebody who's very respected is called decent. Detain, to hold, to stop something. Develop, grow. Discover, reveal, to show. Reveal is to show. Okay. Disclose is to tell something. Whatever you're hiding is to open up, to tell. You can also write open up. Then next one, divide. Everybody knows what is divide. Distribute, divide. Dull, stupid. Everybody knows what is stupid. One more word can stupid will be foolish. Yes, Disha.
Ma'am, like to open up, what is the connection between them?
Disha, do you know display? If I tell you display word, you know, no? So you know display means to disclose, to show. Which one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's the same thing. Discover.
Ma'am, but how is to open up is related to display or disclose?
What is disclose? Disclose. Something closed, you're opening up. That is disclose. So to open up is disclose. How is it related? It is related because dis, disclose means to open up. That's why I wrote another word to open up.
Okay.
What other relationship can I show you? Damage, harm. Okay, to harm, damage. Divine, heavenly. Heavenly means something which is there above us in the heavens. We say God is in the heaven, like that. Stars are heavenly. Moon, sun are all heavenly. That's all divine. That's why we say heavenly. Eager, earnest. Earnest. Eager means something we are very excited to know. Eager is excited to know. Okay. Then exhaust means deplete. Deplete is something to get over. To something gets over. Then effort, attempt, to try. Encourage, inspire, to motivate also. Enemy, foe. Another meaning of there's no foe. Enemy is foe. Foe means again the person whom you hate or who is against you.
Who you dislike.
Furious, angry. I think everybody knows angry. Fade, pale. Something to become. You can also put the word dull. Now you bought a new dress or something, you put it in the sun for a long time. What happens? It fades away. The color goes away. That is, it becomes dull or pale. That is fade.
Ma'am, what is fade?
Fade. Suppose you have some dress or your shirt or something, or your skirt. You put it in the sun for a long time, the color will become dull. That is fade. Understood? Next time,
Yes, ma'am.
next time, raise your hand. I will not answer if you talk directly.
Forbid, ban. When you ban, forbid is something when you're not supposed to do. Yes, Kushal?
Ma'am, fatal.
Fatal, deadly, dangerous. Ferocious, wild. Wild itself is good. I think that's more than enough. Genuine, yes, Kushal.
Ma'am, fade.
Fate, I've written no destiny. Destiny is something which is going to happen tomorrow. You don't know about it. That is destiny. Yes, Bhakti.
Mom, how can furious become wild? Ferocious can become wild.
Can you check the dictionary for yourself? I don't know more English than this, ma. I'm sorry. If you ask me such stupid questions, I really don't know more English than this. You can open the dictionary and see for yourself.
Ma'am, you are mute.
Children, just for the heck of asking question, or you want to show in the class they are active and interactive, don't ask stupid questions. Okay? If you have a doubt, please check the dictionary. Don't simply ask some stupid. If you don't understand some meaning, you ask me the meaning, I'll tell you the meaning. But unnecessarily don't ask how it can become. That's an English word. It's written in the dictionary. I didn't make it up today, right? Just for heck of talking, you should not talk.
Mom, I haven't doubt, Mom.
Raise your hand, whoever it is, please. I'll call out.
Mama raised my hand.
I will call out, I said. I'll call out your name. Yes, Bhakti, what is it?
Mom, what is ferocious?
Ferocious means usually say the lion is very ferocious. That shows that the animal is very, very dangerous. When you look at it, you get scared of it. That is being ferocious.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, Aniket?
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake I raised hand.
Yeah, Bhakti, you have still more doubts?
No, Mom. Sorry, I raised my
Disha,
hand.
Disha?
Ma'am, pray, lazy and pray is it like opposite word, right?
One second, one second. No, sorry, I by mistake I wrote here.
Okay.
Mom, can you go up, Mom?
1 second, I'll just show 1 minute.
Okay, Mom, here only. Mom, can you go to the 33, Mom? Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Ma'am, 37 was immense and huge.
It's okay, let it be. Isolate has come, so what? Nothing wrong, no? Immense is down, right?
Ma'am, it is repeated.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? What? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, somebody was coughing. I was talk to them.
No, ma'am.
Right first.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, can
scroll?
you go up?
Ma'am, can you scroll a little up? Little more, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, can you go a little more up?
Finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go for 44?
From 44, when I'm teaching, you see that time. Because again, many have finished, no, they'll be waiting. Just write what I'm writing. Then I'll show once again. No, then you can copy.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. 54. I'm in 54.
Ma'am, 54. Ma'am, go to 50.
I'll fix
Please, ma'am, 54.
Ma'am, 50.
Children,
Ma'am, go.
stop it. I will show once again. Just hold on. Let me finish this. Just hold on.
Ma'am, just show 52, ma'am.
Who's that? Who's that? Children, mute yourself. Children, mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you are
ma'am, your
Ma'am,
screen,
Ma'am,
your
left
screen
and
went.
back. Stop shouting.
Ma'am, the screen is visible.
now visible.
Ma'am, can you scroll a little up, ma'am?
Well, let me another 2 words. I'll finish. Then I'll scroll. Okay, children. We have 66 words here. I'll just go on top where we stopped. I'll go on explaining the meaning, and then you can copy it down. Where did we stop? I think we stopped at.
Ma'am, can you go
25th, 25th, ma'am. We stopped at 25th.
word, ma'am?
Ma'am finished writing.
Children, all of you keep quiet. Mute yourself, please. Okay, 26th one, fate. Destiny. They say, no, usually in Kannada say my nam hanevara. That is destiny, our fate, that is. Okay, so you say whatever is written on your head, it happens. Some people keep talking. You must have seen elderly people talking like that. So that is fate. What is written for us. This is genuine, is actual, means actual. What is correct, actually correct, is called as genuine. Gloomy means cheerless. Cheerless in the sense there is no life. Cheerless can also mean no life, very sad. Gloomy can also mean very sad. That's another word for synonym for. Okay, next one, guarantee, assure. They say, no, if you buy something in the shop, you ask, no, what is the guarantee it will work? That sort of a guarantee. What assurance are you giving? That is the thing. Gift, present, grief, sorrow. That is, sorrow is again sadness. Hasty, hurried, in a hurry worry. They say, no, hurried means in hurry, HURRY. Hard means solid, something which is very strong. Strong also can mean hard. Then horror, terror. You see horror movies, you must have seen horror movies, which is scary. Scary. Humble, meek means very weak also. Humble means actually meek, and also somebody who is very down to earth, in the sense no pride, nothing, very soft person. We can say soft person also instead. Soft spoken. Then lazy, inactive, idle. Idle andre what do you say? No madake en kelsa illa. You'll be lying simply, quietly. That is idle. Isolate, detach. Detach in the sense keep away, far away. Now you got COVID. Suppose somebody has got COVID, they'll say isolate him. That means keep him far. Keep him far.
That is isolate or detach. Immense means something very big, huge, very big. Then ideal means example. Ideal means a person who is perfect, a person or something which is perfect. Only such things can be given as an example. That's why it's written example, something which is perfect. Independence, freedom, joy, cheerful, happiness. Keen, clever. The person who is very keen is very clever. Lucky, fortunate. Person who is lucky is also fortunate. Obedient, faithful. Omit, remove. Remove is to when you skip something. Omit can also mean skip. When you skip something, you're writing something, you skip some words. That is called as omit. Passive, inactive. Plead, request. Requesting someone, give me a pen, give me a pencil and all that. Postpone, delay. When you want to go somewhere, sort of movie or something, and you say it's raining very, very heavily. That time you postpone your plan to next week. So that is postpone, or you delay. That means you're delaying. You're not going today, you're going some other day. That is postpone means delay. Or to put forward. Instead of delay, we can also say to put forward. Okay. Praise, admire. When you praise someone, tumba chanagide, very nice, and all that, admire. Pray, beg. When somebody says, please help me, that is like begging. Prevent, stop. When you want to stop something, you prevent it. Or prevent is stop, one and the same. Protect, defend. Okay. Now, suppose your friend is being shouted by somebody, you go and protect your friend. That is, you're actually defending your friend. One and the same. Quarrel, dispute. Quarrel means dispute, fight. One more word for it is to fight. Quite, peaceful, you know that. Realize, fulfill means to understand. Realize also means to understand. Reliable, trustworthy. That is someone you can have faith in. Someone whom you can believe. Release, free. To let go. To let go freely. Rigid, stiff, very hard, like something which cannot be broken, which is very, very stiff, very, very hard. Significant, important, something which is very important.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I said, raise your hand. I will talk to you. I am not going to talk to anyone in center. Splendid, splendid, grand. They say the reception was splendid. Their marriage was splendid. That means it was very grand. Grand, another word is splendid. Strange, odd. That is something which is not common, not usual. Odd means something which is not usual. Okay, struggle, strive. To work hard. To struggle means to work hard. Very hard, not only hard, very hard. Okay, tough, aggressive. Tough is a person who is like you cannot make him happy. He's a very tough person. He's a very what do you say? You can again say hard only, but tough. Aggressive means a person who immediately gets irritated. Teach, train, trust, faith, variety, diversity. Variety means there are different type of things. Diversity also means different. There are variety of clothes displayed. There is diversity in languages in India, like that. Okay, Aniket, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, how can teach be train?
Why it cannot be teach, we train? Can you give me a word?
Ma'am? No, ma'am, teaching is like teaching. Train is a train.
What train? What?
Ma'am, in the 63rd one.
What do you mean by?
No, 60.
No. What is your meaning of train?
The vehicle train.
That's why I'm saying, children, you all are still learning English. You don't know English completely. Train also means to teach. Training. Have you heard about the word training?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I have heard.
That's why, children, I'm telling. Please mute yourself. Children, mute yourself. Okay, I have another class. Can you all take a screenshot or something? I don't know how many I've written. If you want, I'll show you.
Can you go to 64? Can you go to 64?
No, I'll show you in the next class again.
Ma'am, 64 only 2, 4,
And
ma'am.
then you go to 66.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I have raised my
Ma'am, 56. 56.
No, I can't go now. Time up. Next class, I'll show you again. Yes, ma. Tell me, what is the doubt? Whoever it is, what is the doubt? Ask fast. Okay, bye, children. Same thing I'll show you in the next class. Don't worry. I'm going to show you the same thing in the next class.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.